So the question is the major product B in the following reaction is. So this is the reaction. It will be first treated with hydrogen iodide in the presence of heat. It will produce A which is alcohol, and then it will be further treated with sulfuric acid, and then the product B will be formed. And these are the options. So let's now check the solution. So in order to solve this equation, we have to treat this compound with HI. So on treating with HI, this part will separate from this part. This H will go to this O, oxygen ion, and this I will go to this CH2, CH3. This will form this alcohol, and on this iodide ion will be attached to this, so it will form ethanamide. And then further treating with H2SO4, it will form CH3, C, double bond C, CH3 and CH3. This will be formed, which is the product B, and the water and all else products will be the minor product.